Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how does prepaid credit card works. The prepaid credit card is designed to help people build credit without requiring a hard credit check. It works by linking to your paycheck. Part of your wages is automatically sent to prepay through direct deposit. The money is then used to pay off purchases made with the card. You earn 2% back on payments, but rewards are only usable in Prepay's online marketplace. The card typically starts with a low credit limit around $300 to $500 and charges fees including a $9 per month fee and a one-time $9 setup fee. It can report to all major credit bureaus, helping you build a credit history if you opt in and make at least 4 one-time payments of $200 or more. While there's no interest if balances are paid with your paycheck, the APR can apply if you carry a balance. However, users should be cautious. Prepay often inflates product prices on its sites, and using the card may end up costing more than buying items outright elsewhere. It can be helpful for those with poor or no credit, but not ideal if you already qualify for traditional credit cards. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.